Hey friends, good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. So today I picked up a very interesting topic in Agile Scrum word that's called theme. Okay, so see in Agile Scrum basically, if you talk about you might know about the history of the Agile Scrum, how it has been grown up and matured from since it was introduced, and then there was Agile extreme programming, and then it is Agile Scrum, and then nowadays uh, scaled Agile also coming in picture. So I will take a differentiation on that topic. But yes, of course, I have already created a video. If you're interested, really getting want to gain some more information upfront, you can go and watch that video. But yes, I will be coming up with that live session as well. So in Agile Scrum, hey Adarsh, good morning. Thanks for joining. So the theme, by its name, should understand what do you mean by theme. So example, you go to any website, it will be having its own theme, right? Theme in the sense the texture, the color, the look, the feel, the function, the navigation, and then the user experience, user interaction to that website. These are all called theme. How on top of you develop your application, on top of you develop your functionalities, etc. So theme is important to for to just define the expectation from very basic ground level. Okay, on top of you will be developing definitely a lot of things altogether. But yes, hey Parth, good morning. Thanks for joining. Uh, Good morning. About Agile, I am planning to give PSPO's one certification examination. Is PSPO good for IABA CPO or IABA CPOA? CPOA, I don't know CPOA, but IABA CBAP and CCBA, these certification I have seen. Okay, I will talk on that part. Okay, be there. Okay. So theme. So take example, you are in the project now, and then your product manager wants to give you the requirements as though that you will be developing and implementing. Okay, so it's not just you go and write the requirement. So there will be a lot of brainstorming at the leadership level, where the product managers closely work with their leaders. When I say leaders, these are the directors, from engineering side, from the marketing side, from the sales side, from different departments. Leaders, they brainstorm what exactly they wants to develop, they wants to build up. Okay, so they discuss, brainstorm, and then come up with the themes. So themes is representation of different thought processes, different requirements. So one set of requirements categorized into one theme, one set of another set of requirements, thought processes categorized into different theme. So once themes are created, when themes are visualized, then that will be the base for a product owner to come up with the epics. Okay, sometimes product manager itself create the epics, but if it is not, product owners should also be able to understand the vision of their leadership team, to understand these themes, and then convert them into the epics. Okay, so the epics are the detailed and some constructive layout of the theme. So you throw your ideas. In other word, we can call theme as ideas also. In AHA, there is a tool like we create ideas there. We can call them idea portal. So it's another name of the AHA. So theme, idea, these things are the similar things, different tools, word, they call it differently. But yes, this is the theme, is the place where you uh, discuss, collaborate, brainstorm, and then come up with some aspects what basically you are thinking to develop, you are thinking to build up. That something is the vision, they come up with that. Okay, so once these themes are, if I talk about the what kind of information they will put, they put some information like I'm seeing this kind of trends in the market. So if we will be having this kind of software and this kind of functionalities, it will help in this one. And then they will give some kind of benefits as well, and they will also provide some information like what kind of key problem areas this idea or this theme will be solving also. So it's a very important that theme is very stick to the particular some problem solving. Theme cannot be like it's like you just coming in your mind and then I want to go to buy vegetable, you cannot be putting there, right? I mean, it should be solving your organization problem, it should be solving your people problem, right? So yeah, the leadership, they stick together, they discuss, and it's not like in one meeting they will be coming with these themes, right? They will be having a multiple iterations of discussions, and then they will throw idea, they will discuss, they will they will not be agreeing, then they will be countering back, oh, no, why you are looking for this one, perhaps we can do this thing, like kind of discussion. Sometimes it goes into the heated discussion part also, but it's all together they are trying to come up with some meaningful theme for the application or for the software that will be helping to their organization to grow, and then helping to the people to make their life easy. Okay, that's the whole objective. So once themes are created, a product owner, product manager closely look of that, and then they basically do the analysis. So the line by line, they will go through each word of the theme, and then try to understand what exactly the management, the leadership is looking for. And then there is a next step comes of creation of the epics. Okay, so the details on epic I will talk later, but yes, the basis for writing the epic is the themes or the idea. Okay, so keep remember guys these things. Okay, so the different tools I told you, right? You can create the ideas on AHA, or themes you can create in AHA. You can call it different names, you know. But on Riley and Jira also you can create the themes, and it would be having the hierarchy, you know, the theme, then epic, then user story, and then you will break down into the task for execution, right? So so themes are created, that then product owner or product manager do the analysis, understand that vision, the objective, and then create the epics for the team. The epics can be created on the directly on the tool, and then it will be having some specific formats. I will explain you later. Okay, meanwhile, let me pick up the question, Parth. So you are asking, you want to do a certification. Very good. We need the certification in your area that basically prove yourself in front of the organization, in front of the client, that you really have the capability to, and then you really have the understanding the right practices for that particular role. Okay, so I will suggest you PSPO, little bit outdated, guys. I will suggest you go through the, if you are in the product owner, product manager role, then I'm talking to you guys. Okay, if you are in the business analyst role, traditional roles, there is no agile, scrum, waterfall model, sequential model, that kind of organization, or you just want to have that standard capabilities you want to show, like you are a well equipped BA candidate for them, IABA certification is good. IIBA certification, not emphasize on the Agile Scrum, guys. Please keep this in mind. So if you're going for a role in an organization where they're looking for a product owner role, so they will prefer the people who has done the person who has done the Agile Scrum certification rather than IIBA, because you will in IIBA there is no as a CCBA CBAP, there is no exposure on the Agile Scrum methodologies, how it works and etc. Okay, so if you want to pursue in the you want to keep relevant in the product owner product manager roles, and you're targeting that kind of role in the market, the organizations, then I will suggest you go with the skilled agile, safe POPM certifications. Safe. The safe full form is skilled agile, skilled agile basically. It's from the skilled agile institute. Okay. So you understand, right? Normal essential safe model is the agile scrum. Now the skilled agile is the something different. Is be above than that. So you will be having a portfolio, a theme portfolio, capabilities, features, user stories, and task. So usme you will not be able to see the epics and all that, because that is skilled agile thing. They work on the feature and then user story and task, but as Agile Scrum they work on the theme, epic, user story and task. Okay, that's a very basic difference. I will talk more on that later. So I will suggest, because maximum of the organization who are working on the Agile Scrum, you will be able to answer, and then you will be able to cope up with their work structure and work style with if you are having the scaled Agile POPM certification. Okay, and IIBA, if I talk about, if you be relevant in the BA industry only, like BA normal roles and responsibilities, and then it's because it's IBA certification, CBAP or CCBA is not giving, ECBA is not giving you the execution part, uh, the any methodology. So that was very it's we formed very long back, and then that time it was only waterfall model, these kind of things. Okay, so and then if IIBA CPOA, I'm not sure, I haven't gone through the CPOA. If that is something, IIBA is also providing somehow certification on product owner. I think is kind of thinking CPOA full form. So go ahead that, but I will recommend again, because the scaled agile organization itself is has introduced that whole methodology, right? So better they will be giving you relevant information compared to any other institute. So my recommendation is to go with the safe POPM certification. 5.0 I did long back, and then now I think 6.0, 7.0 may be coming up. I don't know what is the latest version they will be having. So safe certification will be better choice if you want to be relevant, more relevant in the POPM, product owner, product manager roles in the market. Okay. Uh, Okay, so Parth, you're mentioning, yes, CPOA is a certified product ownership analysis. They have started to give those. Thank you for the clarity. Yeah, they have started giving these things, but I think this is not the right institute who should be giving this, because the Scaled Agile or the Scrum Institute. If you are going for the any Scrum related certification, go with the Scrum Institute. If you are going for the say, PU product owner, product manager role certification, then go with the Scaled Agile Institute. That you could type in the Google Scaled Agile Organization Incorporation, INC. It will take you to their website, and then you will be enrolling for the some learning, dedicated learning hours, and then you will be completing that training, and then you can apply for the certification exam. Okay, so I will suggest you for the safe POPM certification. Okay, so I hope I answered. Yeah, yeah, thank you. So now theme is created, and then you product owner, product manager will be closely looking into that, and then converting them into the epics. So if I talk about the solo definition of the theme, is the combination, or it is comprising the extract of all epics into a theme. So vice versa. So you're creating epics from the theme, and then if you think about what will be having in the theme is the summary, or extraction of every dependent epics information in the theme. So it's a vice versa. Okay, so um, so yeah, I mean that's the process any IT organization follow, and that's how they start thinking, they collaborating, and then slowly coming up with some vision, definitions, success stories, and then create those themes, and then that will be take it forward for the epic and user story, and then a task for implementation point of view. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think, yeah, I think today I have planned to go some temple. So I'm going there, and then let's see you tomorrow, same time, 11 a.m., and then we will talk about the epics. Okay, and then slowly we will talk about the user story and etc. Okay, how the execution. So requirement is created, but how the execution happen. Okay, so that is really important. So okay, guys, see you. Keep learning, guys. Okay, keep sharing, keep watching, and then see you tomorrow, 11 a.m. sharp. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice Saturday. Sorry. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.